If you're looking for that bag that can just do it all, you really need to take a look at the Tote Bag. Totes were actually invented to carry giant blocks of ice, but we use them for literally everything. For starters, if you're looking for a bag to carry your daily essentials, you can definitely do that with the tote, but if you drop in the tote organizer, that gives you a padded and elevated laptop sleeve with a quick retrieve strap, plus plenty of Velcro on both sides to add pouches and other organization pieces of kit so that you can keep everything where you need it when you need it, and that whole organizer pops out with 2 quick clips. I'm a huge fan of using this for like a weekend bag. You can hold 3 packing cubes, everything you could possibly need for a couple of days on the road, and you still have pockets on the outside for other travel essentials. And if you want to make this an over-the-shoulder bag, you can add a shoulder strap, again using those clips on the outside to carry it hands-free. These make a great reusable shopping bag. When they're not in use, they roll up and take up practically no space, so you can leave a couple in your vehicle, grab them when you're out shopping, take stuff inside, and then back in the truck for the next time you need them. These bags come in a couple of different colors, and they have this Velcro filled on the front so that you can add patches or ID panels. This is a great way to kind of have a system for organizing different outdoor activities so that you can tame the chaos on your gear shelf, get out the door as easily as possible, and get outside. Like all of our gear, the tote bags are made right here in our facility in Virginia and backed by a lifetime warranty. They're truly built to last with climbing webbing handles, Cordier on the outside, pockets on all 4 sides so that you can accessorize and carry and organize to suit your needs, and the inside has got a nice high-vis liner. Even if you don't have the organizer, there's this nice interior pocket for your keys, cash, or other accessories, and like you saw with the organizer and the shoulder strap, there's multiple places on the outside to secure a carabiner or clip other things in to really make the landscape of this bag suit your needs. So the Brog Tote Bag comes in a couple different colors, all with that same construction, made in USA fabric and materials, built to last a lifetime. We have found that we really love tote bags for carrying pretty much everything we need to carry day to day, no matter if we're in town, on the road, or out on the trail. You can find this and more great gear at BlueRidgeOverlandGear.com.